here with us on Times Now, and we are getting some breaking inputs at this point in time. Hundreds of advocates from different states have submitted a presentation to Honorable Chief Justice of India regarding the events that took place on 21st of July, and they have alleged that Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav and other members of Parliament gathered outside Prime Minister's official residence without any prior permission or authorization. And we have my colleague Pragya joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, give us more details as far as this representation is concerned. What exactly has been said by these hundreds of advocates who have submitted this representation to the Chief Justice of India?
Well, Hina, the representation is seeking suo motu cognizance and inquiry into the agitation that Mr. Rahul Gandhi held in front of the Prime Minister's house. In the vicinity of the Prime Minister's residence, 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. They are seeking the guidelines for governing such protests in high security zone. In fact, these are all high court advocates, and the fact that they also were very worried about the fact that anyone can do dharna and sit in protest even in the high security zone is not right, and the CGI should pass a stricter guidance regarding such protests. The representation contends that the demonstration took place in high security zone. It raises relatively a security, public order and adherence to the rule of the law, and also they request the Honorable Supreme Court to take appropriate cognizance of the matter, examine whether the incident warrants judicial intervention, and also consider issuing comprehensive guidelines. So they are seeking, these guidelines from the CGI, saying, or the Supreme Court, saying that you need to list down, whether there should be unauthorized demonstration in high security protected area, or whether what action can be taken if such incidents took place. The advocates have emphasized that the rightful right to peaceful protest is a constitutional right, but it always must be exercised within the framework of constitutional law. So these advocates have written to CGI in wake of Rahul Gandhi's dharna protest in front of Prime Minister's residence, and this has also evoked sentiments and anger in the advocates community.
Right. Thank you very much, Pragya, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.